Is using Fiverr for Amazon PPC management a smart move? Love it. So I actually posted on LinkedIn about this topic about using Fiverr for Amazon PPC is a smart move or not. It's really important. The way I'm seeing right now, Fiverr or any platform that allow you to spend less on something you want to achieve, let's put it that way, so it's broad and you can understand it and you can put it in different topics, right? The way how you would do that is mostly Fiverr, it comes from the $5. So the concept is that you would pay $5 or the least amount possible for someone to do a task for you. Now, really important is that what I'm seeing, especially with small brands, is that they're going to opt into Fork, Fiverr, and so on, which again, they're great and you should go there if that is within your budget and that's something that you should afford and you make your choice, you're going to be responsible for it. What I'm seeing is that the smaller brands we are discussing with is that they are going to think small. So whoever is going to hire someone from Fiverr, probably, and whenever I am on Fiverr and I was looking for professionals for, I don't know, running my Facebook ads or cold email campaigns, and when I saw that they are charging $2,000 to $3,000, I'm like, I might be considering this person. We in the agency sometimes are not charging that amount specifically for certain services, which made me think that Fiverr could be a good place for you, but really it comes down to how much experience does the person has and then where are you right now in the journey? Because keep in mind, if you're a small business owner, what I'm seeing so far always happening again and again with small business owners is that they have a small mindset. The difference between a small business owner and a big business owner, it's not the time that they invest within their business, is who they hire within their business, right? Because if you are thinking that you want to hire someone who's taking over your ads, managing your ads and help you through, you're not even thinking of how can this person 5x my business next quarter or 10x my business, because the skill set of that person is not the same as you could expect the skill set of someone who's you're paying $100, $200, $500. And I'm just here to tell you based on my experience, right? Based on the people that I hired personally on Fiverr, there's a reason why people are asking more on hourly rate or on a project rate, because they have more experience, therefore they can up their prices. But I believe that this is really important because it's not the platform, it's how their service is structured around their offering.